Welcome to this tutorial on the research feature. With this tool, AI helps us organize information, answer questions, and find insights directly from our files in a straightforward way. The research tool lets us ask questions, summarize content, and get insights from our documents using AI. We go to Research from the sidebar. On the right, we see the Documents panel, where we can browse and pick files to use as sources. We need to select at least one file before we can ask questions. After we select files, they appear in the Selected Files list, ready for research. In the Input field, we type questions about the content, such as, summarize this file. What are the key points in this report? What happened on this date? Find all mentions of specific medical conditions. Compare the findings between these documents. When we send a question, the system takes 1 to 3 minutes to process. The AI gives us a clear answer with reference links that go straight to the pages where the information was found. If we want to reference specific documents, we can mention the file name in our question. This is helpful when comparing content across several files. The answer will include references tied to the right document and page. We can manage different questions by opening new conversation tabs with the plus icon. Each conversation keeps its history, so we can go back to earlier questions and answers. We can also click on any reference link to open the exact page in the original document. This makes it easy to trace, review, and validate information at any time. Now let's look at another helpful feature. If we're inside a case and reviewing a report, we can use the Insight feature there too. On the right side of the report viewer, there's a panel called Report Insight. This works like the research tool but focuses on the report we're viewing. We can ask questions like, what are all the medical conditions mentioned in this report? Or, summarize the findings in step 1. Just like before, the AI returns the answer with references to help us find the original content. This makes it easy to get quick insights without switching tabs or searching through long documents ourselves. With this research feature, it's easy to extract key information, explore case details, and verify findings across multiple documents. Whether you're summarizing a report, comparing data, or digging into specific questions, AI helps you work faster, stay organized, and gain deeper insights with confidence.